IBKR Mobile Option Chains allows the investor to easily trade single leg options and combinations. To access the option chain, the investor taps on the center button showing two arrows that will bring up the trade screen. In the bottom left-hand side of the toolbox area, tap on Option Chain. This will bring up a search bar, as well as any recently searched companies beneath it. The investor then types a symbol into the search bar and chooses the correct company from the results. A disclaimer will appear regarding the option tools, which the investor should read, and once done, choose OK or Don't Show Again if they don't want to see the disclaimer each time. At the top of the option is the underlying and the last traded price, the amount and percentage change for the day. Directly underneath, the investor sees the market data line, which shows VWAP, various implied volatilities, and option volumes. The investor can scroll through the bar to see all the data offered. On the top of the next row are three vertical lines. The investor can tap on it to see option settings. The option settings screen will appear. At the top is the layout area, which by default shows calls and puts. The investor can also access the Option Wizard, which we will go over in the video Trading Options using the Option Wizard, as well as calendar spread, vertical spread, and diagonal spread. Continuing down, the investor can choose which exchange to route the order to. For IBKR Pro clients, IB Smart Routing is recommended. The investor can choose how many strikes to display on the option chain by either number of strikes or standard deviation of the underlying, as well as the maximum time period of expirations. The option chain data columns can be edited by tapping on Manage Columns. Investors can choose from over 15 columns, including pricing columns, Greeks, and volatility. Here, the investor adds the Option Open Interest data column by tapping on the plus sign, and then moves the position to the front by touching the three bars to the right and moving it to the top of the screen. At the bottom, choose whether to display weekly options and market data. When satisfied with the layout, the investor taps Done to return to the option chain. The investor can scroll through expirations at the top of the option chain and tap on the expiration that they would like to see. The investor can also move the screen up and down to see additional strikes and side to side to see additional data columns. To enter a single leg option order using the option chain, the investor taps on the Ask if they want to create a buy order or the Bid if they want to create a sell order. Once selected, an order drawer will appear at the bottom of the screen. Pulling the drawer up, the investor will see details on the option selected, such as the performance profile, probability of profit, market data, and the Greeks. At the top of the order drawer, the investor can switch from buy to sell if they want, as well as adjusting the quantity by tapping on the arrow next to the number. When they are ready to submit the order, they should tap on the blue Order button at the top of the drawer and the order screen will appear. From here, the investor can choose to expand the performance details shown in the order drawer by tapping on the arrow. They can adjust the quantity, choose the order type, adjust the price if applicable to the order type, and choose the time in force. They can also choose to attach a profit taker, stop loss, or bracket order to the parent trade. When ready to submit the order, the investor can slide the toggle bar at the bottom of the screen. The IBKR Mobile Option Chain allows the investor to create combination orders by tapping on multiple strikes or using the layout page to bring up spread templates for calendar, vertical, and diagonal spreads. To create a calendar spread using the spread template, the investor taps on the three lines in the upper left-hand corner and chooses the calendar spread layout. A matrix will show different calendar spread combinations. Choose the front month by tapping the upper left-hand corner. Display call or put spreads by tapping on the call-put toggle in the upper right-hand corner. The investor can move the screen to see spreads displayed by strike and back month. When ready to create the order, they tap on the spread box and an order drawer will appear below. By pulling the order drawer up, the investor can adjust the leg ratio, look at the performance profile chart, and see other information. When ready, they tap the Order button to bring up the order ticket window. In the order ticket, the investor can choose the quantity, order type, price, time in force, display size, and a profit taker, stop loss, or bracket order if they wish. When ready, slide the toggle at the bottom of the screen to send the order. Investors can create multi-leg combinations using the option chain's call, puts, layout by tapping on the strikes they want to trade. Like creating a single leg order, the investor taps the bid for a sell and the ask for a buy. As they tap on the options, the order drawer will update with the number of legs. They can untap a leg if they no longer want it included in the combination. When ready, slide the order drawer up to adjust the leg ratio, change the order between buy and sell, see the performance profile chart, and other data. When ready, tap on the Order button in the top right-hand side and the order ticket will appear. When the investor has set the quantity, order type, price, time in force, as well as if they want to attach an order, they slide the toggle at the bottom of the page to send the order.